All right, guys. Today we're coming to you from the Hilton here in Nadi, Fiji. This is the check-in area. You can see got a lounge here. It's a overcast, kind of rainy day. You can see. Check in there, and then you just walk straight this way. Oh, by the way, here's the Bula Express. That's how you get around. Hop on, hop off. Cool thing about this hotel is, yes, it's a Hilton, yes, it's got good quality, but also it's like a little bit of a cultural feel to it for sure. The staff are very friendly. Bula means hello, so everyone says Bula, Bula. But this down here is the pool and beach. You got 3 restaurants. There's a look at some of the rooms. It is Tuesday morning. The weed whackers were out doing the grooming. As you know, it's a tropical climate, so things grow really quickly here. And you gotta upkeep it. At least they're not doing it, in the evening time or early morning. They do it in the, it's 11 a.m., so it's the best time to do it. But you can't hear it over here at the pool. But there's the beach. It's not really a swimmable beach. The pool is big. I think there's like 3 pools at least. Breakfast is going still. I think it goes till 11. I'm going to be going around the island today, exploring. Got a private tour going. Oh yeah, they got more than 3 pools. I think they got 4 pools, 5 pools. This is one of the most famous resorts on the island. Hilton, like a Marriott, like the Sheraton's really famous. It's kind of close to the city, but it's on its own little island out here. Sorry about the weather today, guys. It's December, which was a little bit of rainy season, I guess. So, I'll show you the room in a moment, but I'm just kind of strolling around here on the grounds. Beautiful hotel. Bit older, but yeah, here's a Bula Express bus stop for the hop on, hop off. I'll show you around a little later. All right, I'm just going to show you my room. I've been using this. This is my second night here, but I'm just going to show you. So you got this shower, you got the tub, you got the toilet area. Yeah. Sorry for the mess. It's been a long day of going around Fiji. Obviously, I came to the island to enjoy myself, and I've been doing that. And then outside here, just after sunset, you can see sunset just off in the distance there. But yeah, you got this nice little area here. I don't know if you guys can fully see what's going on there. There you go. Nice room in action. Now I'll show you what it looks like to walk the beach at sunset. As you can see, the sun is going down, and this is where the magic really begins. The first couple nights that I was here, actually it was overcast and raining throughout the day, but the last night that I was here is when I got this beautiful sunset, and it was actually cloudy this whole day. This was in December, so take that into consideration if you're looking to get here outside of rainy season. December is rainy season. For about a good 30 to 45 minutes, the sky just kept getting more and more like sherbet ice cream. Really a beautiful color. You'll see it kind of turns that color. It's especially as the sun finally does go down. Wow, the sun is out. It's been overcast all day. Yeah, so it's now evening time, and you can see we've got a sunset going. Good look down here at the coastline. This is what you come to Fiji for, right? The beautiful sun and sunsets and water. So peaceful, so relaxing. Wow, look at that. All right, guys, now for my final review of the Hilton Fiji at Nadi Beach right here in Fiji. So I would say that the hotel, definitely one of the most popular, this whole island out here where they have the Sheraton, they have the Sofitel, they have the marina, very popular. They have the hop on, hop off bus that will take you to the marina and back where the restaurants are, shopping, all that. I would say it's probably one of the better areas for like being connected to modernity. If you wanted to go out to Yasawa, or if you wanted to go to other places around, you know, you're gonna be disconnected from that marina area where I would consider it to be like the most tourist friendly. So the location is really good. And then they had that Sheraton, the Sofitel, and others in the area, Novotel. But this one's one of the most famous. The beach is not a white sand beach. It's kind of like a gray sand beach, like a mix between black sand and white sand, kind of mixed, like a turbid color. The water is turbid. It's not like that Fiji color that you would get out in Yasawa. The bed was comfortable. The hotel was comfortable. The only thing that was a little bit crazy was the shower. The shower kind of was a little bit wild. Like if you turned it on, sometimes it would just like start spraying all over. So it was like a wild, you could call it like a wild shower head. Anyway, other than that, I would say the hotel was very good. Staff was always friendly. Bula bula, I mean, everyone says bula everywhere you go. Naka, get ready to say that. That's thank you. So bula is hello and naka is thank you. Other than that, great hotel. Hope to see you guys on the next one. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this hotel here at the Hilton.